All right. So, hey guys, Karma Sengi here. This is actually my second attempt at doing this. I did probably about a 20-minute video just a moment ago and realized I didn't have this damn microphone on. So, just I wanted to give you an update on my progress, what I've been doing, what I've not been doing, and so forth. And really, it comes more to what I've not been doing. So I've had this huge work project going on, and I have been working. Last week, I worked about 108 hours. That is 108 hours. And just been working like a fiend. I actually put myself on a new sleep schedule. And this is what's called a polyphasic sleep schedule. So most people sleep, 8 hours in one block of time. All right. That's a monophasic sleep schedule. And I put myself on a triphasic sleep schedule. So essentially, I sleep for 90 minutes 3 times a day and spaced 6.5 hours apart. And so I sleep, 4.5 hours a day total. And this sleep schedule is actually really easy to get yourself on. I was trying to get back on to what's called an Uberman sleep schedule. And a Uberman sleep schedule, you sleep for 2 hours a day. And it's done in 20-minute sessions, just 20-minute naps 6 times a day. And that's it. But, I used to be on it and I did fine with it. But this time when I tried to get on it, it wouldn't happen. I was oversleeping. I was really, really irritable. I knew that I needed more time in my day. So I went back to a polyphasic sleep schedule, and this time I chose a triphasic sleep schedule. And maybe I'll post a link or something down below for more information on that. But like I said, I've been working a ton, so I really haven't done much. I have not been listening to Japanese that much. Maybe if I can, an hour a day, if that. If I go to the bathroom, maybe I would have, brought, a manga or something like that. And like these mangas came from a box of manga. And to be honest, I wasn't really happy with their service. I don't really care for these mangas that, they're in Japanese. So, that's really good. But not really feeling the content, the material. I wasn't happy with their service. So, I paid for their service and a month goes by. I get nothing from them. I get no, emails, no anything. And, I reached out to them a few times and it took them from the time that I sent my first email, it took them almost 6 weeks to reply to me. And so needless to say, I'm not keeping my subscription with them. I just was not happy. And again, not happy with their content, with the books that come from there. They sent 4 books. And just they're okay. They're no Death Note or anything like that. So if I get the chance, maybe I would do that. Like if I'm going to the bathroom or something. But it has actually gotten to the point. Like last week, I worked 108 hours last week. And I was actually taking my laptop into, like, if I went to the bathroom, I was actually taking my laptop in there to work. Not what you all are thinking, but to actually work. And even my daughter can tell you, like, I am just, this work project has really got me busting my butt. I am just working nonstop. I am a machine. And I work almost 20 hours a day. So, and I go 7 days a week. I don't have a day off. In fact, I don't even remember the last time I actually had a day off of work. So that, what was that, Lily?
Yes, you are.
Come here. Okay. Yeah, let my daughter tell you how I am. So tell everybody. By the way, that's my bird. I have a new bird. We have two sun conures, and we got a brand new sun conure, our second conure, who is a complete psychopath. So if you hear her squawking, that's the psychopath. So anyway, Lily, like what do you think? Like, have I been working a lot?
Yes, you are a work machine. You never sleep. Like you take little naps like for an hour and a half. That's about it.
Yeah.
And you stay up all night just working your butt off. True thing too.
Yeah. So like I said, I just work. But so again, I haven't really been doing much. I haven't been on my Anki. I actually suspended all of my Anki decks. My kanji reviews, my Tango N5 deck. I was also doing the Nihongo Shark vocab deck as well, and like I've just literally had to pause everything because I just don't have the time to get on it and do something. You know, if I have something in my ear, usually it's me talking with my assistant or something. Otherwise, I'm just like pounding at the keyboard, working. And like for those that don't know what I do, I'm in marketing and advertising. And so I've got a lot of different clients that I have to do work with and for, keeping up their ads and so forth, creating marketing campaigns, yada, yada, yada. So that's what I do. And it takes a lot of my time. And with this new project, it's really been overwhelming at times, but you know, I'm used to it. I don't mind working 100 hours a week or more, as it was last week. This week, I'll probably do about 95 hours this week. So, but that's really it. I really haven't done much. I wanted to do a video for you so that you know you can see my progress and really what I'm not doing as well. You know, just take you on this journey with me. You know, things happen in our lives that you know sometimes you can't control, and you have to put things on the side. And I'm not putting this on the side for very long. I am definitely going to get back at it because, like, you know, I look at Matt and I see how good Matt is, and for those that don't know Matt, it's Matt versus Japan. You can go to his channel. I'll leave a link below. And I see how good he is, and I want to be that good. And so, like, I'm not stopping my Japanese training. I just really have to limit it for a few weeks. I haven't even been on the Discord server in a while. Matter of fact, I just brought it up maybe 5 minutes before you know, filming the first version of this video because I haven't been on it in like weeks. I haven't posted. I haven't brought it up. Nothing. So that kind of lets you know the level of the project that I'm working on. But again, I just wanted to give you something. I didn't want it to go, you know, another couple of weeks without me having posted something for you all. So, you know, if you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell icon so that you get notifications of when I do update again. So until next time, guys, I appreciate you all being with me on this journey, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.